Hello everyone. With this video, we will demonstrate how to set secure folder to lock automatically in Samsung Galaxy Tab A. Secure folder has your important data that you can prevent from access of other people. Hence, it is important to keep it locked to keep your content safe, and with Auto Lock Secure Folder feature, you can do it really easily. So to begin, on the home screen, tap on Apps. Tap on Secure Folder. Tap on More icon. Tap on Settings. Tap on Auto Lock Secure Folder. Here you're provided with 5 options: immediately, after 5 minutes, after 10 minutes, after 30 minutes, and when tablet restarts. You may choose any of the provided option by tapping on it. Choose immediately, that lets you lock your secure folder automatically each time you leave the app. Now let's see how it works. For this, navigate to secure folder. And as you can see, the secure folder is locked automatically. So this is how we can set secure folder to lock automatically in Samsung Galaxy Tab A. Hope this video was of great help. Thank you for watching.